Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them in here. Oh, look at all these.
Hey, look at my pumpkin.
Pumpkin. The stem is weak. This one's good. You guys can put them in the... Oh man, I don't know. Is that one bigger than this one? Let me see.
Mine's bigger.
Let's let the girls decide.
Girls, look at this huge one.
Which one's bigger?
No, Dad. Hey. No, what about that one? Or was that
29?
Alright, mine was fatter, but maybe not taller.
Dad, is this one bigger or this one?
I don't know.
I think this one's...
Yeah, there's still a lot in here. There's a lot. Well, not a bad little harvest for what we had out there. We had almost 1,000 plants, and I was hoping for 1,000 pumpkins, but about 135, 136, and that includes a lot of these real small ones that we probably won't sell. Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You got yours picked out. We'll have Kayla and Eva come get theirs too.
I can't.
That's heavy. But we'll be able to sell quite a few of these. We'll probably sell them for, you know, maybe $3 for the real big ones, $2 for the smaller ones, and then $1 for anything else this size. I think that's pretty fair. So we'll get these cleaned up, sprayed off a little bit, and we'll get them out here. We're gonna get our table fixed up. I moved it up towards the road so people can see them driving by, and we'll just put the prices out on them and see if we sell a few, and then we'll know next year how many we can sell. Alright, so I think we've got all the $3 pumpkins pulled out here. Those ones they sit straight and they're bigger size. So then we'll take all the next size.
What about these?
So maybe
Could this be a $3 pumpkin?
that one's a $1 pumpkin, I think. That's a little one.
$1.
So all the next ones that are, you know, maybe this size, those will all be $2 pumpkins. Most all the rest of them. And then anything that's small like this or any of these weird ones, they can just be for decoration. They're $1.
Oh, my broke again. I'm gonna do a little fill because that's a big one. You want? It's basically the same thing.
They don't have to be pretty on this one.
Oh my gosh.
No, we'll take that.
Oh.
Well, there they are. 130 something pumpkins ready for sale. I think that'll work pretty good for now. Easy, and hopefully we'll sell at least a few. I think that would be fine. So we've got about a month for them to sit out here, a little over a month, and we'll see what happens. Well, we definitely fell short of 1,000 pumpkins, didn't we? But that's okay. I learned a lot about growing these out here, and you know, it's our first year growing pumpkins, so I'm happy with what we got and how things went. Happy with the deer deterrent, the fencing back there with the fishing line. I think that actually worked really well. So next year we'll improve some things. We're going to improve our weed management back there. We're going to expand the patch, make it a little bit bigger. I'm also going to improve our irrigation. That was one of the big things. That's why a lot of those pumpkins are too small. We need to set up a water tower or some type of a solar pump or something to get water out there. We had a really dry the whole month of July. I don't even think it rained one single time. So I tried to get back there and water with, you know, the IBC tote and stuff, but it just took too much time to water by hand. And so I just need to figure out something with drip irrigation and some type of water system back there. But we learned a lot. You know, next year maybe we can get to 1,000. And if I can get to 1,000 next year, I'll have to look for some alternate places to sell them. That's for sure. But I'm happy with how things turned out. So excited about the fall. We've got lots of things going on around here. The wood burning stove is going in. It's slow, but it's going. And greenhouse stuff is coming up soon, so stick around for that. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed watching today. I harvest some pumpkins. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.